Welcome to Zemi Beach, Anguilla. This is the king bed ocean view room. As we come in here, we're going to go off to the left and take a look at the closets. One thing you'll notice is there's pretty good room, but one thing I didn't like about the closets, the drawers were kind of older. It looks like things need to kind of be updated a bit. A plus for them, though, they did include flip-flops. So if you're a thong sandal kind of person, you know, there's that. I actually did leave my water shoes, so I ended up having to use those. Here we have a view out of the window to the pool. This was the adult-only pool, which was empty most of the time. And so now we get into the second closet. We have more storage and a safe, and this is where you'll find the iron and ironing board as well. So now we're moving into the bathroom. There are his and her sinks. Functional. I'm not a fan of sinks that aren't flush mounted, but this was cool. Very spacious bathroom. There's me in the mirror there. I did think it was weird though how they didn't fully enclose either the toilet or the shower. That was really annoying. Every time you would take a shower, you would get the mat wet, but the water was nice and hot, so that was cool. And the bathtub was cool as well. Okay, so making our way out, some things to make note of. There's plenty of outlets, plenty of room. You have a work desk with a little light below the television, another window on the opposite side of the bed, and now we're going to step out onto the balcony. You can eat out here or just take a sit and rest. There's a little view of the pool again. And finally, the pièce de résistance, the view. I do apologize. I was trying to get a view of everything. But here's the view. If you've been to Zemi Beach, let me know how you feel about it. I'm going to drop a full video going over my experience there very soon. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.